highlights of 2020. Mariana, tell us, for you, what were the key features of this very unusual year in terms of M&A?
I guess it was the high value deals that we had. So obviously I'm speaking about the sale of Brisa. I think binding offers were just in the first wave of the COVID, very challenging, very competitive tender process. And the sale of Rovensa Group to the Private Equity Partners Group. So these are two macro deals over 1 billion, actually Brisa over 3 billion in infrastructure and private equity agro business, which is quite exceptional in a market like a Portuguese market and in a situation like we have this year.
Rodrigo, for you and your experience, what were the key highlights apart from this unusual trend of seeing fewer deals but very large ones?
Yes, that is surprising that having a smaller number of deals this year, we had a higher value inclusively than last year. So Mariana has already pointed out the reason, the two big deals that we had throughout the year. But I would say that one of the highlights is that in fact we will have a higher value than last year, but we had a suspension of the M&A market after the COVID started really in March. And we had 3-4 months during the lockdown, and even after the lockdown, we had a full suspension of the M&A activity. And still, we're going to reach higher values than last year. A smaller number, I would say about around 30% lower. But that's clearly because of a full quarter where we were suspended. So that's what's really different this year.